Hi, you're welcome to Saudi Creative World, and today I'm going to be introducing you to different materials and tools that will make use of in millinery work. That is millinery now, especially the aspect of fascinator making. So let's go right there. I'm going to start from the embellishment area. So a lot of people be like, what is embellishment? What is this? What is that? Embellishment is just what you use in spicing up your work. Yes, what you use in spicing up your fascinators, when you are done with it, you make use of it also in turban making, hat making, and all that. So let me introduce you to starting. Let me show you so that you can recognize. We have the feathers. Different colors of feathers. So we have the white, different colors. We have some that are just, colorful, different colors on each of the leaf. So that is how we have different shapes of feathers as well. You can see this shape is different from this one. So also we still have other ones like that. You can see this one is different. You can see this one it's just a stick, I mean. So this is again, you can see how it is. Now we have different feathers, as just like I've said. And also we have different rose flowers. This is one. This is another design. I hope you can see this clearly. This is another design. Then we also have this, depending on how much you can afford in the market, you have your size. Yes, so you have different designs in the market. We have different designs. There are a lot of them like that we have in the market. So then also another embellishment is your beads. We have different types of beads as well in the market that you can go for. And this is different types of beads, yes, that you can use to embellish your fascinators. So we have it in different when you get to the market, you definitely see a whole lot of it. Also we have what we call stick balls. Now this is one of the stick balls. I don't have much of it here, but when you get to the market, you see a lot of them. We have the bigger size, we have the very smaller size. So we have stick balls, and I think that is some of the embellishments. Now we have this. You can make your embellishment yourself as well. These are some that I made myself for my own embellishment, and which I would like to teach you if you are interested in my class. You're going to be learning this as well. So these are embellishments that you can make yourself, and all this embellishment, there's something peculiar to them. You can make use of them only ordinarily, that is just maybe you want to use it for your errands, different things. When you make this, trust me, you can easily rock it, and beautiful. So we have that. Then I think that is what I have for you on the part of the embellishment. So let's move to the next tool that we use. So okay, let me also tell you about this. I don't have much of it on my table. I forgot to bring it on my table. But we have these pearls. We have pearls. They are also tools and materials for embellishment. We have them in different stones, shiny, just the way you want it. So that's an embellishment. Now I want to talk about the base. We have different base. We have different materials that we can make use of. We have the already made base in the market. So we have the bishop cap. Yes, one of these, and this is very common in the market. You can get it easily. We have different designs of bishop cap. You can see this is one design, the smaller version of it, and this is a bigger version of this design. And when you get to the market, you are likely to get a smaller version of this design as well, and other designs that you will like. So we have them in different colors as well. We have them in different colors. So you don't have to be saying like, well, like this is no. Once you get to the market, trust me, you get the color you want. So we have it. We have the base. Also, we can make use of our marco for the base. Now this is what a marco looks like. You can see this is what a marco looks like. So you get this mostly at the cobbler's residence. What I mean by the cobbler's residence, where they sell shoe making materials. So we have the marco. You can make use of this also for your base, and some other things we get there as the teaching continues. Now we have the mold. We have the molded fascinator, the already made molded fascinator, and at the same time you can mold yours. This is an example of a mold. This mold as well comes in different shape, different design, different sizes. Yes, the molds come in different sizes. It comes in different shapes. Just whatever the way you like it, like you can get it from the market. And that on your base. So okay, the next thing I will be talking about is your Alice bands and head bands. Now we have different head bands, like we have different sizes of fascinator, different sizes of bishop caps, different sizes of molds. Same way we have different sizes of your Alice band. This is what an Alice band looks like. You can see we have it in different sizes. This is one size, and this is another size, and we also have it in different styles and design. This is another size. As we have it in as we have other ones in different colors, we also have this in different colors, depending on your preference on the color you want. Another design or another style is this. Is an elastic headband. We call it elastic headband. So depending on the kind of design of fascinator you're making, so you go for what fits you. This is another band. This is elastic band, but this is for another purpose. Now, this is mainly for me. What I use this for is maybe I'm making hairband. Yes, they call it hairband. So if I'm making an hairband, I mostly go for this so that I won't have to fold too much for it to be enough to accommodate my hair. So we have that, and also now we have the comb. The comb also is used for fastening, just like we use this to fasten our headbands, our fascinators to our head. So also we make use of combs to fasten the head and the fascinators to our head. So if you don't want to go for this, you just want something to clip to your hair, you can go for the comb as well. You can see we have it. I think we also have this in different designs in the market. So depending on what you want and what you want to use it for. So that is that on that. Next thing I'm going to talk about is your needle and thread. Let me tell you, there is no way you want to do your fascinator without making some needle and thread. Is it possible? Maybe you're making some ordinary gum. Yes, I think it's possible. But you need your needle and thread. Now this is the needle and this is the thread. We have different type of thread as well that we make use of. We have, this is more like an invisible thread. This is the color black of this invisible thread. That is, if you use it for your work, there is tendency for it to be so, for people not to even notice it at all because of the nature and the texture of it. So we have this, and we also have we have this as well. This is a fishing line. There's some work you want to do and you need a fishing line for it. We have different sizes of fishing line as well. We have the very tiniest one. We have different types. When you get to the market, you choose what fits what you want to do. So that is that on that. Then I'm going to talk about gum. Yes, we have different types of gum as well for this work. That is, we have the hot glue gun, and this is it. You just do clap, clap, clap. So we have different types of glue gun. We have the bigger size of this, and we have this. Now this is it. You have the candle gum that you attach to it for it to get working. Once you attach to it, then you plug it to power. From there it starts melting, and the moment it starts melting, you start applying it to your work, to gum whatever you are gumming together. And we also have B6000. This is another gum that we make use of. We have the B6000. We have the UHU gum. Sorry, UHU gum. So that also is being used in this our work. I think that is that on introduction. Okay, I have one more thing to introduce to you before I end this, and that is crinoline. So we also have different sizes of crinoline. This crinoline, some use it for embellishment, some use for different purposes. As the class continues, you're going to be seeing the use of crinoline. These crinolines, we have different sizes. Now, how do you get to know the sizes? You will just take your tape measure and you measure. Now, this is 6 inches crinoline. I've measured this and this is giving me 6 inches. This is 3 inches crinoline. We also have the one of 1 inch crinoline. We have 2 inches crinoline. We have different sizes of crinoline, and we have different types of crinoline. Yes, we have the pleated crinoline. I don't have it here, but when you get to the market, you can ask for it. We have the pleated crinoline. We have another type of crinoline. We have different shades. You have the plain crinoline. You can see this is plain, and you can see this has a touch of shining on it. I don't know if you can see it. I hope it's clear enough. So we have this and we have this. So we have it in different. Now, yes, I mentioned 2 inches crinoline. You can see. In fact, this is just 1.5 inch crinoline. So we have different sizes depending on what you want to make use of it for. So you can get to the market and you see what you want in the market. And just like, yes, there's another thing, let me talk about it. Like we have this type of crinoline. We also have other type of crinoline. Please note that so that when you get to the market, you won't go on, because mostly for fascinator, we make use of the soft crinoline. You can see this is softer and this is thicker. For fascinator making, we make use of the soft crinoline, while mostly in the tailoring aspects, we make use of this thicker one, but for other purposes as well. Okay, other things we make use of are still there. Let me talk about this before I end this. Now, this is a bias. What do we use a bias for? Many times we use it for taping the edges of our brim. You can easily take the edges of your brim and also use it to cover some certain rough edges from being revealed. So, and we have it in different colors as well. We have different colors. Then this is ribbon. Ribbon is different from bias. So you can, when you get to the market also, you can get this ribbon. The ribbon also can be used for same purpose as the buyers and also for other purposes. So that is that. Also, we have what we call trimming. If you look at this fascinator that I'm putting on closely, if nobody tells you, I bet with you wouldn't know that this is what we use. So you see, you still have a lot of things to learn. You have a lot of things that you can learn from this millinery work, and trust me, the journey is worth it and sweet as well. So let's see you in class. Bye.